Water Shroud is made out of a material called NRPVC, natural rubber and PVC. It's highly resistant to chemicals and temperature resistant, hot and cold temperature resistant. It's an injection molded process and it's very, very durable. We originally did this design on the computer, and to prove the flow characteristics, we actually made these parts out of clear polyurethane so that we could do a flow test with a dye-colored water. And we were able to see that we had some cavitation and some insufficient flow. So we moved a couple of the baffles, did the same process again to optimize the design characteristics of it. The main advantage is to protect either with warm water or fresh water to keep the components free of any debris that may be in the water from jetting or contaminants if you're in a contaminated water situation, or to flush warm water over the entire system to keep the diver's inhalation gas warm. But once they have it on there and they see what the advantages are, which is probably going to be a cleaner system, they'll just leave it on there because you can lift the lid on this thing and check it every day. You can take it off and inspect it, take the bent tube off, do whatever you need to do, and then put it back on, close the door, and you're good to go.